Today, we will be going over barcode technology and specifically how you can use it to track your assets and inventory. Let's get started. Barcodes have been used for years across various industries for tracking product information. They're easy to scan, they're easy to print, and they're easy to use, which makes them a great choice for tracking your assets and inventory. There are two main types of barcodes that you'll see used for tracking solutions: 1D and 2D barcodes. 1D barcodes are the typical barcodes that you see on products at the store, the ones that you use at the self-checkout, and these contain formats like UPC, which stands for Universal Product Code, and Code 39. 2D barcodes are a newer format that came about so that you could store more text in the code itself. These are typically things like QR codes, where you might see them on an advertisement saying, scan our QR code to go to this website. Both barcode types are scanned in the exact same way through direct line of sight with a barcode scanner. There are several different ways to scan a barcode, but these three devices represent the most commonly used that we see in the asset and inventory tracking space. The first type of device we'll be talking about today is the wedge scanner. This connects to your computer via USB and is typically used in more static scanning environments because you do have to have this connected at all times. You'll typically see this in a place where things are being checked out, like an inventory room, and each scan is processed as if you're typing it into your keyboard. The second device we'll be talking about is a smart device. I have a smartphone in my hand right now, but you could use a tablet or any device with a camera built in. You're going to use the camera to scan barcodes. Because this is mobile and you're not tethered to a computer, this tends to make more sense for mobile use cases where you're walking around and scanning items. The last device we'll be talking about is a mobile computer. There are various manufacturers who make these. This specific device is built by Zebra. It's running its own version of Android, which means you can download apps from the Google Play Store, and it has a built-in barcode scanner that's a little bit more rugged. So you'll see these in places like warehouses or retail environments for scanning barcodes. You can also scan barcodes from a further distance because this has a built-in scanner that's more powerful. As we mentioned, barcodes are a cost-effective and reliable way to track virtually anything that your business manages. By associating a unique barcode with a unique product or inventory item, you can rapidly scan to recall information and facilitate movement as you're scanning it on the go. If you're interested in learning more about barcodes or other asset and inventory tracking technology, click the link in the description below to download our free resource.